Hello, my name is Doina Bain, and I will be the instructor for this course. I look forward having you as a student this semester. The class is CPSC 313, Computer Impact. It's for upper division. It's an upper division GE course, and it's a compulsory course for the students seeking a minor in computer science. This course discusses the impact of computing in the society, discusses the positive aspects, the negative aspects, and important terms which we are faced nowadays, such privacy, security, data security, and computing. I was unable to put a blog with information regarding myself, but if you want to reach me, then details are given in the course syllabus. So if you click on the course syllabus, then to reach me, I am available. The best way to reach me is by email, but I'm available to meet in person or talk on the phone or talk on Skype or Zoom. So going back to the course, please read the welcome to the class. Watch the course overview, which is a relatively short video, about 7 minutes, regarding the important topics covered in class and the expectations. If you have any questions, please, again, do not hesitate to contact me. I read my email several times a day during the week and many times before assignments are due. Please do not wait until the last moment to submit the assignments. Some of the assignments are to be uploaded on Titanium. Some of the assignments are you to provide the link or you to provide the assignment itself. So make sure you do not submit assignments late. Please read the course syllabus. You are responsible to know the policies therein. The syllabus is quite detailed. So the first page, as you see, provides a catalog description of the course, how to reach me, the learning goals of the course. This is a GE course, so the GE learning goals are also provided, the course objectives, and what are your expectations, what you will be expected to learn in this course. The important dates, make sure that you are aware. The textbook, it's a required textbook, and you'll be quizzed. We will have quizzes at the end of at the end of every 2 units. We will have a quiz from those units and also from the materials provided online. The grading criteria, there will be a number of assignments and a group project. The assignments are worth a certain amount. Homework submitted late will incur a penalty. If you are more than 40 hours late, you'll have 0 points. The group project has a tight due date, which is the end of the semester, so you cannot submit the group project late, otherwise you'll receive 0 points. And details of what does a group project is and samples will be provided shortly. There will be a number of quizzes. Those quizzes are they are not collaborative. You are not allowed to collaborate, and you are requested to provide your opinion. So you need to read the articles from the textbook and also the articles from the reading material section. If you take a look, for example, for the module which is presented here, you have something called reading or media resources, and you have, for that topic, you have articles and videos. So you'll be quizzed on that as well. The quizzes are open for 48 hours, and once the quiz has closed, you are not allowed to make up. Quizzes take a lot of time for me to provide, so make sure that you start the quiz way before the quiz closes. Once you start it, you have up to 60 minutes to finish the quiz. So if the quiz closes before the 60 minutes have ended, then you have less time. So make sure you allocate ample time to do it. Grading criteria, you'll be able to assess your standing in the class based on the percentage. So I'll be strictly using the syllabus. There'll be no curving to decide the grade for this class. If you are a student with registered with DSS, then you need to make sure that I'll be receiving a letter from DSS stating that you need extra support and you'll be provided with double time for the quizzes. So please make sure that the letter reaches me. They communicate with me by email, such that I will manually add the extra time needed for the online quiz. You will not receive extra time for the assignments or for the group project, only for the quizzes. Academic dishonesty policy, make sure you get familiar with that, especially in such a course in which we read a lot of material and you are requested to write a group project. Make sure that you do not plagiarize, you give proper citations and proper rights to the writer or of the material, and you need to cite everything. So failure to follow the spirit of the academic honesty policy will result in a negative evaluation of your work. A first offense will be a 0 score on the assignment and the subsequent will be F in the course. And both will be reported to the Judicial Affairs and to the department chair. So going on and continuing, so that is the syllabi. The first module will focus on the privacy in a digital world. Most of our data exists online. We communicate online with friends, with colleagues, with co-workers, with family. And we have a certain expectation of privacy, which is not necessarily what actually happens. So we need to become familiar with what are the standards for privacy, why privacy is important, how we give up privacy in the moment we post anything online, and how do we deal in case our privacy is violated. So we will be reading articles from Unit 3 of the textbooks, and also you have articles and videos which you are required to read or watch in order to better understand the topic. So at the beginning of the module you have a checklist. Make sure that you follow the checklist, and that way you keep track of what you have done and what you still need to do. The learning objectives for these modules related to the privacy in the digital world are listed here. So at the end of this module, you will be able to, you are expected to understand the need of the privacy and the difficulty to maintain privacy in a digital world. You will be able to evaluate the quality of information received from 2 to 3 different types of information sources on the internet. You will recall what security of data is, how can be achieved through data encryption. You'll be able to recall or demonstrate how to use a web application such as Google Docs to work in a group for the written essay. And you'll be able to recall or demonstrate how to search the internet for information. These learning modules, these learning objectives for these modules are tied to the learning objectives of the class, which are listed in the syllabus. So there is some aspects which are positive for an online course. One of them being that you are able to watch the articles, watch the videos and read the articles in your own time. And you are able also to collaborate with the students online. It's not if this class would have been taught in a class setting, would have been hard to maintain that, because we all have to go at the same pace. At the same time, Given that you have your own schedule, you'll be able to arrange when to read what is requested of you, but please make sure that you are well prepared for the quizzes. A quiz will be given for the at the end of every 2 units from the textbook, so we will have a quiz at the end of unit 1 and 2, a quiz at the end of units 3 and 4, and so on. We do not have a comprehensive quiz. We will have a number of quizzes which cover exactly the unit. But also in the quizzes, a small part, about 25%, will be dedicated to questions related to the articles and videos presented on the class website. So it's about 75% from the textbook and 25% from the privacy news articles and videos. And please make sure you have the textbook available. It is available to be purchased from Amazon and so on. So at the end of the module, you'll have a group project. The group project requires you to create a collaborative tool with 4 or 5 other colleagues. The number of students in class does not divide evenly by 4, so there may be groups of 5 students. And in order to accomplish the project, please read the details. Start here. And the description of the group project is available on the next link, and whatever it's needed are available on the subsequent links. The grading criteria for the group project is listed, so in the moment you are ready to submit, you'll also see what percentage will be given to what theme of this project. So good luck with the class. I look forward to receive questions and to see that you enjoy the material presented.